Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. Today is a special day. Today is a day filled with love. I feel it in the air. Thank you, Britta, so much for inviting me to this collaboration. Prior to me was Gail Burston from Life and Splatters, and darling Tiffany from Willie B Studios. And to kick us off today was my darling friend Britta from Britta Clayton's Designs. I'm excited to be part of this. Valentine's Day was never really anything that I celebrated, except with my daughter when she was young, until Rick entered my life 14 years ago. It's really important to him. He always does something special, and I am grateful beyond belief for that. But happy day of love to each and every one of you. I am doing something fun. You're going to have to wait for the Valentine part of it, but I wanted to share my colors with you because I think they're absolutely yummy. We've got some sky in here, we've got some land in here, and then our focal point, which you will see towards the end. Right here is a yummy color. That is Amsterdam Expert Series in their transparent orange. Lovely, lovely color. I get all of my Amsterdam and my piggies from Fluid Art Co. I needed to brighten and richen that up a little bit. I added a squirt of the Q word in the nickel azo gold. Right here, oh, be still my heart, this little piggy, and that is their golden peach. Now, I needed a little bit of a peachiness in my sky, and I worried about this being a bit too bright, but I'm mixing it with the pearl mink and the neutral beige, and I think that these two colors will tone this down when I pour them into a dirty cup. At least I think that's what it's called. This right here, this is a beautiful color, and if you haven't used it, I highly suggest you do. It's got just the most beautiful neutral, creamy, peachy goldiness to it. That is Deco Art Metallics, and that is their mink pearl. Right here to help with some cloud formation is Deco Art Satin Enamel in the neutral beige. Yummy color, but I think I might add a little bit of black to this. This is part of our land. This is Amsterdam Transparent Oxide Brown in the Expert Series. This is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black, but to richen it up, because I find it dries with a bit of a gray hue, I always add a splash of the golden carbon black to it in the fluid paint. Yummy part of our sky, which is going to be peachy and gray and creamy, at least I hope, is Arteza Pearl Space Gray. All of our paints today got put into the cup, including our pigment. Everything got a good squirt of GAC 800, stirred up, and then my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium with the black and gray label. Some of these paints got a squirt of water. I actually even did a little drip test for them. You can see that my golden peach pigment by this little piggy was a little thin, and I added just about a quarter of a teaspoon, excuse me, of Oatrol. I use that to thicken up my paint. So our canvas today, I've decided that if I do not like a painting, I am going to repurpose the canvas. And I spend about a couple of times a week just gessoing older canvas, and then I generally add a little bit of texture paste or crackle paste to them. So this is a reused 16 by 16 canvas, and it's going to work out just perfect for what I have in mind. So repurpose those paintings that you don't like, gesso them, add some texture to them, turn them into something grand. Once again, Britta, thank you so much for the invitation. I am always grateful. Wishing each and every one of you a fabulous day of love. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's get busy.
just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. Time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you you would be leaving me just like the winter snow. Tell me and be honest, tell me should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow. Tell me should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, to let go.
Wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by nine. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by nine. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along, I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight.